Another day, another story. Disclaimer: nothing in our videos constitutes as financial advice. All information, opinions and suggestions are for education and entertainment only. Market your dropshipping store. Now that you know how to start a dropshipping business, it's time to talk about marketing your new store. To stand out in your market, you may want to put extra effort into your marketing and advertising efforts when building your dropshipping business plan. With so many things about dropshipping being automated, you can spend time focusing on marketing and promoting your business in the following ways. 1. Paid ads, Facebook and Google. The average cost for a Facebook ad is around 97 cents per click, which isn't too bad if you're newer to advertising on the social media platform. Facebook ads are scalable, products can perform well on them, and they tap into people's desire to impulse buy. You can run Google Shopping ads and target long-tail keywords where shoppers are more likely to buy. There's typically more price competition with Google ads, but it may be worth your time to test it out. 2. Influencer marketing. As a new dropshipper, you may have a limited budget to market your business. Influencer marketing is an affordable way to reach your target audience because people tend to trust influencers more than traditional advertising. If you go this route, negotiate an affiliate fee with the influencer versus a flat rate. It's a win-win situation, because they'll make money off of each sale and the cost will be less for you. 3. Content marketing. If you want to build a long-term stream of traffic for your store, add content marketing into your dropshipping business plan. Start a blog around your dropshipping niche and create content that entertains and educates your target audience. You could also start a YouTube channel, create infographics, or start a podcast to help get the word out about your brand. 4. Communities. Get involved with groups of people who are passionate about your niche. You can start conversations with potential customers on Reddit, Facebook groups, or online forums. Remember not to be too salesy when engaging with a community. Aim to help and build relationships with potential customers so they trust your brand and want to buy from it. 5. Mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is a broad term that refers to a business connecting with customers on their mobile phones. For example, you can start a VIP text club and encourage website visitors to sign up for exclusive deals and promotions. Or provide customer support in a live chat conversation with shoppers through Messenger. With a mobile marketing platform like ManyChat, you can create automated lead generation, customer retention, and cart abandonment campaigns to drive sales and revenue for your dropshipping business. As with any successful online business, keep an eye on which channels are working and which aren't, especially if you're investing money in them via paid ads. As you continue to grow and improve your business, you can always adjust your marketing strategy to lower costs and maximize revenue. 9. Analyze and improve your offering. After you've been marketing and managing your dropshipping business for some time, you can start looking at the results of your hard work. Shopify Analytics can help you answer some important questions about your online store, such as sales. What are my best performing channels? Where should I put more dollars? What are my best selling products? Who are my best customers? Shopper behavior. Are people buying more on desktop or mobile? What's the conversion rate for each device? Profit margins. What products and variant SKUs are the most profitable? What are my sales and gross profits looking like month over month? You can also use tools like Google Analytics and Search Console to measure search traffic over time and improve your search engine optimization (SEO) efforts. Plus, if you're using a third-party app for your social media or messenger marketing, check the reports monthly to make sure your overall strategy is working for your business. When creating a dropshipping e-commerce store, you want to create a data-informed analytics system. Remain consistent with what you analyze over time and measure your store's performance against clear KPIs. This will help you make smarter decisions for your store and take your small business to the next level over time.